This is an area of single-family houses, all built in the same period, maybe 80 years old. And as you can see, many buildings they are renovated as a whole in one step, but much more buildings they are being renovated stepwise. Maybe only the roof, only the facade. Some have new windows.
Many of the European buildings have quite a few problems that need careful attention, and many of us, we really don't have the financial capacity to go for renovation in one go.
You can consider splitting it up in different renovation steps, and if you first deal with the measure with the highest priority, you can save a lot of money, and with that saved money, when your investment is paid back, you can consider the next step in your renovation process.
It is important, therefore, that if you do these steps, that you think very well in advance what you will do after to avoid costs that you actually had done already in the past.
So having step-by-step implementation, knowing specifically which measures, how much they cost, and how they can be implemented throughout the time, I think that's the added value of having a support of technical expertise in what to do.
The iBRoad project is developing an individual building renovation roadmap for single-family houses.
The roadmap that will be developed in iBRoad, it's a tool that will offer the information about the best practice that could be applied, the order of application of the measures, so the owner could choose the right measure in the right time.
There's a big difference between Energy Performance Certificate, an EPC, and a Building Renovation Roadmap. An EPC is really about the status of the building that you want to buy or to rent. It tells you how much energy it will consume, and it maybe has some information about additional costs to do to renovate, while a building renovation roadmap is really tailored to your own needs.
The individual building renovation roadmap, along with a logbook, which is an archive with all relevant information on the building, will allow homeowners to plan the renovation of their home and to implement it gradually as allowed by their financial capabilities.
Right now you see that building owners, they try to collect all their building related information, like you have a maintenance, you have an installer coming by, he gives you an invoice. And what we try to do is to gather all of this in a digital inventory, in a digital box where you contain all this information. But you as a property owner, as a building owner, you are the owner of this.
This kind of logbook approach that gathers the information in one single database and makes it easy to analyze the situation in every single stage would really help the financial institutions to design better their offer and to offer better conditions for the end users. So we really hope that this would be a very significant impact of the iBRoad project.